CBS News legal analyst Jack Ford is here. Welcome.
Charlie.
Precisely as you can, tell me what the prosecution case is and what the defense case is.
Prosecution says all of this money was paid to keep the story quiet, but the overarching reason was to help John Edwards become elected president. And they said because of that, campaign contribution and illegal. The defense says, no, it wasn't about him becoming president. It was trying to protect his family from all of this. And as a consequence, they say it was tawdry, it was awful, it was sleazy, but it's not illegal.
And what do you think the defense is most worried about?
I think you have to be concerned that there's so much in there about this tawdriness and this sleaziness that if you're the defense, you're worried that it's just going to pull the jury in and make them think, you know what, he lied about everything. And the prosecution is going to argue, of course he knew that this money was being paid. And of course the reason for it was, and again, going back to all the lies and the conduct, the reason for it was John Edwards, more than anything else in the world, wanted to be the president.
And the significance of what the judge may say in instructions to the jury?
Well, here's one of the interesting things, and this call was made just yesterday by the judge, and the judge says, and instructions to the jury is a major part of all trials. The defense has been saying all along that the prosecution has to prove that the only reason for paying this money was campaign contributions, get him elected president. The judge has said, no, I'm not going to tell the jury that. I'm going to tell them that there could be two reasons here. One, to keep it quiet, as the defense says, but the other also to help him be elected president. And that makes it a lot easier for the prosecution, obviously.
How often does that happen, though, that this sort of changes the focus at the end of a trial?
Well, it's an interesting question, Erica, because this is an unusual case legally. And I think everybody went into this saying, we're not sure how the judge is going to approach. You know, some cases, you're trying a murder case, you know what the law is in a murder case. But in this was an unusual application of the law by the prosecution. So coming into this, you know, the defense was hoping they were going to get something, the prosecution was hoping they get something else, and the prosecution got more than they thought they were going to get, and the defense not at all unhappy about this. Because to some extent, it cuts the legs out from their argument.
Jack Ford, thank you.
All right, Charlie.
Good to see you.